Hello and welcome. In this tutorial we're looking at the desktop version of the WHS Consultations module. This module is designed to store and manage files and documents relative to WHS related meetings such as meeting minutes, notes and WHS team briefings, etc. Like all system modules, the access and inclusions visible in this module vary according to individual user access levels, which are controlled within the user management module. However, for the purpose of this tutorial, we're seeing everything as a workplace administrator would see it. This module features the same fundamental layout as all modules in the system. Below the module name and icon are the main controls, in this case a link back to the workplace homepage, the option to add a new record, and the option to export all the data in a CSV file. To the right are the module help notes and a link to this video tutorial. And below is the module list view. The controls at the top of the list and in the column headings allow users to search, filter and sort the list according to the various criteria. The smaller export icon at the far right of the search and filter tools allows export of the records that display after filtering, and like the main export module function, this allows for selection of the data fields that are included in the resulting export file. Mousing over the Actions icon displays the various options for managing existing records in this module. And to add a new record, select the plus icon, which then displays the WHS consultation form. Selecting the up icon at the top of the form returns to the list view, but doesn't save the record. Below the form help, the first two form fields in the consultation details, the date created and the author, are pre-populated. The system then requires a consultation title and optional inclusion of a consultation summary if required. To attach a file, click the Browse button and select the required file. You can upload PDF documents, Word documents, Excel spreadsheets, images, or even a zip file. And to finish, click Save. The new record just created now appears in the list for further management as required. Editing an existing record and uploading another document or file will append the new file to the record, and it, along with any previously uploaded files, can be downloaded when viewing or editing the record in future. Each time a record's resaved in this module, the date and the user are added to the Save History list, which is visible at the bottom of the form. And that concludes this tutorial. For more information about this module, please refer to the help box at any time. Thanks for watching.